Epson's RX8901CE and RX4901CE are versatile and high-precision real-time clock modules ideal for applications such as smart meters, surveillance security equipment, industrial factory automation, industrial electric motor controllers, and smart lighting. The integrated event system with up to 3 event inputs can be used to detect events and record their timestamp, while the MCU remains in sleep mode, reducing system power consumption for longer battery life. The timestamp function supports FIFO mode with up to 32 timestamps, or a direct mode with 3 individual event inputs with separate memory for 10 or 12 timestamps each. They consume just 240 nanoamps from a 3-volt supply and feature a built-in power supply switching circuit that eliminates the need for external diodes and their losses. The modules offer time resolution down to 1/1024th of a second and are highly stable across their entire operating temperature range. The RX8901CE has an I2C interface, while the RX4901CE is available with a 3 or 4-wire SPI interface. Visit Epson.com or contact your Epson sales representative to learn more about the RX4901CE and RX8901CE family, as well as Epson's other RTC products.